Okay, sorry. Then from the above examples, there is an examples how to determine the effective rainfall hyetograph and the volume of direct runoff from the catchment area due to storm. Given the above table, that means time versus cumulative rainfall table, and the phi index is equal to 0.4 centimeter per hour, and also the area of catchment area 5 kilometers square. Now the required the volume, the hyetograph and the volume of direct runoff. So yeah, then after identifying the given and the required one, then solution one, and step one should be done in step one. Determine the depth of rainfall in each time interval. Time interval change. So sorry, there is problem. Then to determine this depth of rainfall, or it is in another way, the incremental rainfall. Yeah, it is said to be incremental rainfall. So this incremental rainfall can be determined by subtracting the consecutive cumulative rainfall depths. For example, 0.6 minus 0, 0.6, 0.8 minus 0.6, like that, we can get the depth of rainfall, or incremental depth of rainfall in change t. So in order to simplify our calculation, it should be just go to Excel, Microsoft Excel. So Microsoft Excel. Okay. Yeah. Now in this Microsoft Excel, copy first should be copy this table to Microsoft Excel. Okay, right click, special, transpose. Oh, what is the problem? Sorry. Okay. Sorry. Cut. That is the reason. Delete table, copy, then paste. Oh, sorry. Now, don't worry, you can simply write time in how and cumulative rainfall, accumulated rainfall, okay. Then after computing cumulative rainfall, depth of rainfall, after determining the depth of rainfall, so just it is 0, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 11, 40. Okay, here is a value 0, I think 0.6, 2.8, 5.2, I think, and check it 6.6, 6.6, 7.5, 9.2, 6, okay, 9. This is, I think, yeah. After determining this depth is equal to this value minus this value, which is negative value, so it's already 0, yeah, no rainfall, so it is already the first one, and this value equal to this value minus what, this value, so drag it after drag it, yes, this value, yeah, it's good. So it is effective rainfall. So after determining the effective rainfall, it should be determined. Next one is there is effective rainfall already calculated in what? In column 3. In column 3. In column 3. And step 2. Okay. Step 2, determine the loss of rainfall. That means find x times what? Change interval. This is equal to loss is equal to what? 0.4 times this changing t is equal to 2 hours equal to 0.8 cent, yeah, it is centimeter per hour, and it is also in hour, so the loss is this 0.8. Just move to the Excel value. Next, loss, it is equal to what? It is equal to changing t, yeah, so changing t, so the time interval between is equal to this value is equal to effective depth, not effective depth, 0.4 time changing what? Time. Already what? What is the reason? What? Oh, sorry. Then it should be in dollar. Okay, Yeah, sorry, it is a problem. Okay, enter. So after this, drag. So after determining the loss, you can get the amount of rainfall that contribute to the runoff or effective rainfall levels. So effective rainfall in centimeter at each time at time t, centimeter effective rainfall at time t is equal to it is already the first one is already 0 for the time 0, then since its value is equal to 0 minus this value, so you can get, and then drag it, it's already size 0, yeah, and also it is size 0 value, because the negative values indicate that there is no any rainfall contribution for runoff, generation of runoff, so can cancel it. So step 3 what? Step 3 estimate determine effective rainfall as shown in table, or simply is equal to effective rainfall AR is equal to what? Depth of rainfall, rainfall minus what? Minus loss as shown in column 5 or 3, I think. 1 2 3 4 5, yeah, 5. So after determining the effective rainfall, we can estimate what? The intensity of rainfall. So the intensity is equal to what? Effective rainfall over time, or change in T. Then this over what? Change in T, how much? 2 hour. This one. Enter. Then first in dollar, and side drag. Okay, it is what? Effective rainfall. My intensity of rainfall in centimeter per hour. In cent per hour. After determining this value, then you can to the word step 4, determine what? Intensity of rainfall. Intensity of rainfall is equal to what? I is equal to depth of rainfall. Okay. Then come to this. So intensity is equal to what? Depth of rainfall in meter over the time is equal to, for example, as example, example, how much the effective rainfall? Yeah, 1.4 over what? Over what? 2 is equal to 0.7 centimeter per hour. So the remaining ones can be calculated by using this formula. Then we can take the table, polar border, then should be adjust this value and time Roman. Then this table is taken to text to copy inward. So okay, yeah. So this is this column is Photoshop. Fine. Oh, sorry. Okay, this is take Shopify. So this is what? This is the intensity of them. Centimeter per hour. Okay, after determining this intensity of rainfall, then we can after okay yeah. After determining density of rainfall, we can plot the hyetograph of effective rainfall. Then just to draw go to Excel, then select the first and the last column, then go to insert. After go to insert scatter, and select the second one. Oh, sorry. Okay, change this file. Yeah, this seems like hyetograph. But change to this, change in column. Okay, and vertical column is cut. In vertical case. Case. This effective rainfall is what? 0.5. This 0.45. So it is the intensity hyetograph. This intensity hyetograph. Yeah, just okay. So This is intensity hyetograph. This value just in time Roman. Okay, just go to layout and axis title. This vertical, rotate, intensity of rainfall. Okay. See this case. Yeah. Looks like then time Roman in this value with time Roman. Sorry. Time Roman, justify and layout, line axis and vertical rotate. Not vertical rotate. Horizontal. Yeah, this time. And color. Right. This time distance. Okay. This is what the intensity of rainfall that varied from time to time, different time intervals. There is at the peak intensity will be occur at 6 hours 0.8. So after this there is increase. So after determining this value, we can estimate, determine the volume of runoff, direct runoff. The volume of direct runoff is equal to this volume of direct runoff. It is simply calculated by using volume is equal to depth times what? Depth time area. So insert, go to insert and take occasion. Then volume is equal to area times what? Area of a catchment times depth. It is rainfall depth. Yeah. So total rainfall depth. Yeah. Total rainfall depth. This a total rainfall depth is equal to the sum of what? Effective rainfall. Yeah. This sum of effective rainfall. That means I think the rainfall depth 1.4, 1.6, 0.6, 0.1 or 0.9. By summing this value, by sum up this value, we can take what? Can take the total rainfall depth, or the volume can be estimated by using intensity times change in T times what? Area. So you can compute with. You can take this value or you can take this column. So intensity value, just move to our equation. Then the depth is equal to 1.4 plus 1.6, yeah, plus what? 0.6 plus 0.1 plus 0.9. Then times what? Times the area is 5 kilometers square. Then change to what? Meter square in the power of what? 6. To the power of 6 is equal to, then sum up, it is 2, yeah, 3, sorry, 3, and it is 1, then 4.6 centimeter times 5 times 10 to the power of 6 meter square. Then it is equal to what? 4.6 centimeter times 5 times 10 to the power of 6 meter square, yeah, over what? 100. To convert enter. Okay, it is equal to how much? 23.00 meter cubed. So power of cubed. Check it in Excel. Then it is equal to what? 4.6 times, sorry, plus 4.6 times 5. Yeah, 23 times. Okay. Then this is 2. Yeah, there is 1 0 remain. This is the volume of what? The volume of catchment area that calculated from that generated from this effective rainfall depth. So thank you everybody. Thank you everyone.